I'm seen quite often as being the happy, jovial one, but I've dealt with mental health struggles myself.
Just let you know that this taxi ride's free on one condition. You don't talk about football.
I can do that, no problem.
Hello mate, how you doing?
Where are we off to?
To the ground, please.
How are you anyway? How have you been?
It's been a lot, actually.
I haven't really spoken to anybody about the way I feel. We're just a cog in the wheel.
There were times where I didn't actually think I wanted to be here anymore.
Now, personally, I always feel a lot better after opening up and telling someone what's on my mind.
It's so brave and it takes so much courage.
Even my own father, I never said I loved him until he was in a hospice, you know?
When you speak about your struggles for the first time, it just makes such a difference. It's the first step to getting better, and it's the first step to actually, I guess, the recovery process.
I was diagnosed with cancer, and that was something that I really had to get my head round.
Is it okay to show our vulnerability?
I know that there's been some real tough times, but just know that I'm here to listen, yeah?
It's that element of trust.
It made the world a difference for me. It changed everything.
There was just like a massive weight lifted off my shoulders, to be completely honest.
I think showing that humility and actually genuinely caring is so important.
How can you reach someone that maybe doesn't want to be reached?
It doesn't have to be anything big, just send a text.
You created a nice environment for us talking about life.
You've allowed me to talk about my emotions, and it's not something that usually happens.
It's like a therapy session. It's actually really nice.
You're very welcome.
It's important to know that you're not alone out there. People care and there's people that want to help you.